So hi, welcome guys. So in this video I'm just talk about to myself that's how could I speak English on a much better way, because every day what we learn in a privacy space, so those things are reflect in our on a those things reflects on our is good where we want to talk about in a person, or because whenever we confident in our on our own selves in our own room, so that time what we see that what we see that we I am here in my room and just I'm talking to with myself and without confidence, and my hand movement is like that. Yes. Okay, just first of all I want to understand you that this is not the right way and you need to understand so these things. Okay, and don't be quiet and be calm, so don't worry about, we will sort it. So this is all about thing. And if I order something, okay sir, could you please take it for one cup of tea and one cup of coffee and one cup of this and one cup of this, and sir could you give me a bill? And okay, thank you so much sir, and how are you sir? I am fine, great, thank you so much, and let me know you soon. Yes, okay, okay, I'm sure. And if I have any query, if I have any doubt, then please ask me. So a little bit question, like every day when we are trying to speak English, so that time we don't know that what should we speak in English. So what we don't know that, so what should be to speak English. So basically, so if you don't know, then you find those things, what should is uh, where are you going to be speak English in a fluent way. So these kind of things will makes you a much better way, because when you don't find out the things, so that time it is the time you should fill the gap. If you don't fill the gap, then you don't change to yourself. So okay, like you take a copy, you just take a copy and you write down that's I improvise those places. You go on a restaurant and you how to order a food, so basically you just read all those part, all those conversation in Hindi or in English, and you just repeat it. That's how could you repeat. And every kind of topic you just read, write on your copy, and always try to speak on yourself. And every day you just try to you just try to you just try to cover all the topic. And one day you understand that yeah, it is good for you and you can do those things which you need to understand. And your thought of level, one thing says that zero is never zero. When you do, you have 1 rupees, it means you are not, if you are doing something, it means you are not a zero. So just put your work some little bit, and you see the result of the magical result is that when you see one step, then surrounded by you are just all of the things. Always you focus on those things, always you focus on those part. And like in Hindi kahawat, Hans is taking water milk from the water, from the mixing of the water and milk. So this is the creativity of the Hans. That's like you, if you just focus on one thing, only little thing, then every day you just make a chain of all of the things, and you just speak you just learn like a pro. And it will you changes on the all those part which you think like that it should be corrected more, and it should be corrected light, then it will help you a lot. So thank you guys for listening me. And this is my 5 minute recording, and I am happy for here just I record to myself, because it is a in these days I learn lots of things, like a discipline is the most important things in life. Because when every day is not your same days, but if you are a discipline, if you are a consistent, if you are a your habit is up good and your habit is developed and your personality, your communication, these things are in you have, then you never should feel a downfall in your life. You just work on it, because time management is also energy management, is also emotional connection, is also, and talk to with the people. So this kind of things will make you a better version to yourself. So just focus on these things, not a focus on a byproduct, like your whatever is like a study, money, and everything is a byproduct of these things. Because if you have a this thing, you have a confidence, you have a friend, you have a connection, you have everything. So just focus on these things, not on a byproduct, because byproduct is attract of because of all those things. So thank you guys for listening me, and have a nice day to you. Bye, we will meet you soon.